Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into a detailed review of the Bissell PowerFresh Vacuum and Steam Mop. I absolutely adore this product. And I want to clarify right up front that this video is not sponsored. I've never done a sponsored video on this channel, so all my thoughts are 100% genuine. Let's talk about the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop. This device is a game changer for tackling those stubborn, stuck-on messes with its detachable spot boost brush. It harnesses the natural power of steam to clean and sanitize your floors, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals. The Spot Boost brush is fantastic for scrubbing away those tough spots. If you enjoy a fresh scent while you clean, you'll love the built-in scent disc tray. Just pop in one of the included Spring Breeze fragrance discs, and you'll get a burst of refreshing scent while you clean. The PowerFresh Deluxe Steam Mop is safe to use on a variety of sealed hard floors, including hardwood, linoleum, ceramic, tile, marble, and granite. It heats up and is ready to use in just 30 seconds. And it comes with a 25-foot cord length for added convenience. Included with the mop are 2 microfiber pads, a soft pad for everyday cleaning and a scrubby pad for tougher messes. You also get a Spring Breeze fragrance discs and an attachable water cup for easy refilling. I've been using this for a while now, and it's really made a difference in how I clean. It's super easy to use, and the steam settings allow you to choose the level of intensity you need. Plus, with its quick heat-up time and long cord, it makes the cleaning process so much more efficient. If you've tried the Bissell PowerFresh yourself, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful and subscribe my channel for more content. Enjoy the rest of the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.